In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in CapCut PC. If you've got shaky or jittery handheld footage that makes your shot look rough, don't worry. CapCut PC includes a built-in stabilization tool that's quick to use and works well for smoothing out unwanted camera movements. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to apply it so your video looks much cleaner and more professional. To begin, place your video clip onto an open track in the timeline. Once the clip is there, click directly on the video block one time to highlight it. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before you can apply any changes. If nothing is selected, the settings you're looking for may not appear, so make sure the clip is clearly active before moving on. Next, move your attention to the top right side of the CapCut window, where the Properties panel is located. This is where you'll find many of the controls that affect the selected clip. Under the Video tab, stay inside the Basic sub-tab, then scroll downward until you find the Stabilize section. Depending on your screen size or workspace layout, you may need to scroll a little to reveal it, so take your time and look carefully. Once you've found the Stabilize option, click the checkbox next to it to turn stabilization on. Right after that, open the Level drop-down menu and choose the setting that best fits your footage. Recommended is a good choice for normal handheld shake and is usually the best place to start. If your video has stronger, more distracting movement, choose Most Stable instead. That option is designed for more aggressive jitter and can help create a smoother result. After you select the stabilization level, CapCut will analyze the video and process the motion in the clip. This usually happens pretty quickly, but the exact time can depend on the length and resolution of your footage. Once the analysis is complete, press the spacebar to play the clip back and review the result. Watching it right away helps you judge whether the movement now feels smoother and more controlled. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can take shaky footage and make it much easier to watch inside CapCut PC.